What's going on, everybody? My name is Logical Edits, and welcome to my new series, How to Make a Full Black Ops 3 Zombies map. In this tutorial today, I will show you guys how to get the mod tools, the extra assets, how to create a map, how to build a simple room, and how to build and run your map that you just made. It's very simple. First things first, you're going to need Call of Duty Black Ops 3. The next thing is how to get the mod tools. Well, you're going to open up Steam, you're going to go to your library, you're going to go to Tools, and right here, Call of Duty Black Ops 3 mod tools you're going to install. Now, to get extra assets, which are textures and models, prefab, stuff like that, you're going to go to right-click on this, Properties, go to DLC, and right here, you're going to check this off, and you're going to install it. Pretty simple stuff. Next things, what you want to do is open up the mod tools. Just like that, it's open. Alright, now up here are your basic things that you're going to use. Right here is new map, this is build map, publish your map, asset editor, and level editor. Right now all we need is the new map function. So right here, you got your name and your template. Let's change the template to the ZM mod menu, mod level. And your name always has to start off with ZM underscore whatever you want. For the sake of tutorial's sake, we will name this ZM underscore YouTube. Let's click OK. It creates these files. OK. Let's click on this little checkbox. Let's right click and let's open in Radiant. Once you get into Black Ops 3 Radiant, this is what you're going to see. Oh my god, what's going on? It's super bright. Let's do this. Okay, now you're not going to see this little lightning bolt here. To get that, you're going to right click on camera, or down here really, and you're going to click exposure. Then you're going to get this little thing and make sure your 3D view is in real lighting mode. Now to see what it looks like in game, just press F9 on your keyboard, and this is what it looks like in game. It looks alright, but you could tell there's shiny floors, some stuff doesn't look well, and yeah, but this is the basis of your map. You can compile this, you can run this, and play it just like that. So, first things first, I'm going to show you guys how to build simple rooms. Really easy to do. You're going to go into your 2D view, and you're just going to drag out an object. Just like that. This will be the floor. Now, it's untextured, and it's always given this little, I don't know, squares texture. Doesn't look good. Let's make it brick. So, go into your textures, click all, and you're gonna type in brick. Let's get this. It's a nice brick texture. Actually, let's delete this. Let's press backspace. Let's make the entire floor this. Nice. Now let's texture these walls a different brick. So holding down Shift on your keyboard and left clicking, you could select objects. You can select up to multiple objects, as many as you want. And let's select this entire building. Make sure you get down here. Select this wall, and this wall. Let's all texture them. This looks nice. Oh, would you look at that? I accidentally selected a decal. Now you can see like it only looks like it's a texture when you're looking at something. Let's press Ctrl Z. While still selected everything, let's select that same texture, but this time a non-decal. So that looks like a decal. This is not. This is just a lit underscore detail. Now, decals are only used for patches, which will be in a later tutorial. These are actual brushes now. Sweet. This doesn't look that bad. So, we're done. That's how to make your map. Simple. How to start up Radiant. Now, to build a room, same thing. You're just going to drag on. To change the view of what I'm looking at on your 2D view, press Control and Tab. Let's just drag out a little box. Press spacebar to duplicate. Go up here. Let's rotate this on our Z axis. And let's make this one smaller. And boom, we have made a 3-walled room. Now, these textures aren't really lining up. So let's select this and select this. You're going to come over here, and middle mouse button on this wall lines all the textures up to this wall. Now it still looks a little wonky, so if we do that to that, boom. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? That's it. So for right now, we're going to save up here, this little icon, or you can go to File, Save. Let's close Radiant. Lighting change and with export, click No. Bring back our launcher. With this still checked, let's link, let's compile our lights, and actually compile the map. And let's press Build. Now this is going to take some time, depending on how big your map is, and how many brushes, or models, or entities, or anything, depends on how big your map is. It could take anywhere from 2 minutes to half an hour, depending, again, how big your map is. So with this, it should take less than 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes at tops, I would say, because we didn't do anything except for those 3 walls and we just textured everything. So just to save some time, I will get back to you when it is done. Alright, once that's done, let's uncheck these and let's check Run and let's press Build. Okay. Now this is going to run the map that we have just made. Once you compile everything, you can run it. And every time you want to run it, you have to compile it, link it, and make sure the lights are all working. So let's go to Black Ops 3. It'll load up the map automatically. It might take some time, again, depending on how big your map is. Usually under 30 seconds to 45 seconds, but definitely under a minute. As you can see, the frame's already up, so that's a good sign. If you see the frames like that, it's a good sign. There's no errors, and your map is loading. And just like that, look at that. We are in our map that we just made. Let's go turn on the power over here. Power's now on. These perks work. We could pack a punch. There's a thing, for some reason, Treyarch doesn't include right mystery boxes. So if you were to come over here, for some reason the mystery boxes don't work. But that's okay. We're going to add that in a later tutorial. So, let me kill these zombies. That's pretty much going to wrap up the first tutorial video. This is how to build a map, how to run it, how to make it, and that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. Please comment if you would like any suggestions, or if you have any suggestions on future tutorials. I will definitely look at those. If you need help, comment below. If you like the video, please leave a rating and subscribe if you haven't. And thank you all for watching. Peace.